To enable switch to HTTPS feature to secure your online experience on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra while you are using Samsung Internet app. To do so, open Samsung Internet app. Tap three horizontal line icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then tap setting. Tap privacy dashboard. Scroll down the screen. And then tap the gray on off switch next to switch to secure connection or HTTPS until the switch turns blue to turn it on. When this option is on, when you visit an encrypted website, you will be automatically redirected to the encrypted version or HTTPS version if the website supports it. Given to the function, it's best to set this option on because it can help you ensure a safer online experience by encrypting your data and protecting your privacy. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.